We're taking you on an incredible journey to one of the most diverse and dynamic countries in the world. The United States of America. Known as the land of dreams and opportunities, the USA is a melting pot of cultures, languages, and experiences. It's a place where skyscrapers pierce the sky, natural wonders stretch for miles, and every corner tells a story of resilience and innovation. Did you know the United States is the third largest country in the world, spanning over 9.8 million square kilometers? It's home to over 331 million people from every corner of the globe, making it one of the most multicultural nations on Earth. Whether you're a history buff, an outdoor adventurer, a food lover, or a culture enthusiast, the USA has something special for everyone. Today, we're exploring 15 of the most famous cities in the United States you must visit in your lifetime. Each offering unique attractions, histories, and cultures that will leave you inspired and longing to visit. So, let's pack our virtual bags and set off on this incredible journey. 1. New York City, New York. Let's start with the iconic Big Apple. Located in the state of New York, this bustling metropolis is the largest city in the USA, with over 8.8 million residents. Known for its towering skyscrapers, New York City is home to the Statue of Liberty, Times Square, and Central Park. The city's history dates back to 1624, when Dutch settlers named it New Amsterdam. It later became a British colony and was renamed New York. Today, NYC is a global hub for finance, arts, and fashion. Fun fact about New York City: did you know there are over 800 languages spoken in New York City? It's one of the most linguistically diverse places on Earth. 2. Los Angeles, California. Welcome to the entertainment capital of the world. Los Angeles, or LA, is in sunny California and is famous for Hollywood, stunning beaches, and vibrant cultural scenes. Founded in 1781 by Spanish settlers, LA grew rapidly during the 20th century, becoming the heart of the film industry. Be sure to visit the Hollywood Walk of Fame, Santa Monica Pier, and the Getty Center. And don't forget to explore the city's food scene, offering everything from street tacos to high-end cuisine. Fun fact about Los Angeles: Los Angeles is home to the largest historical theater district on the National Register of Historic Places. 3. Chicago, Illinois. Known as the Windy City, Chicago is located on the shores of Lake Michigan in Illinois. It's famous for its impressive architecture, deep dish pizza, and vibrant music scene. The city was founded in 1833 and rebuilt after the Great Chicago Fire of 1871, emerging as a leader in urban planning and architecture. Visit Millennium Park, the Art Institute of Chicago, and Navy Pier. And don't miss a boat tour to see the city's stunning skyline. Fun fact about Chicago: the Ferris wheel was first introduced at the 1893 World's Fair in Chicago. 4. Miami, Florida. In southern Florida, Miami is known for its sunny beaches, vibrant nightlife, and rich Cuban influence. Founded in 1896, Miami has grown into a major center for tourism, trade, and international culture. Must-visit spots include South Beach, Little Havana, and the Wynwood Walls for stunning street art. Miami is also the gateway to the nearby Florida Keys. Fun fact about Miami: Miami is the only major U.S. city founded by a woman, Julia Tuttle. 5. San Francisco, California. San Francisco, located in Northern California, is famous for its iconic Golden Gate Bridge, cable cars, and steep streets. Founded in 1776, the city experienced rapid growth during the California Gold Rush of 1849. Today, it's a hub for technology and progressive culture. Explore Alcatraz Island, Fisherman's Wharf, and the vibrant Chinatown district. Don't forget to take a photo at Lombard Street, the crookedest street in the world. Fun fact: San Francisco is home to the oldest Chinatown in North America. 6. Las Vegas, Nevada. Welcome to the entertainment capital of the world. Las Vegas, in Nevada, is synonymous with dazzling casinos, luxurious resorts, and world-class shows. The city was founded in 1905 but gained prominence in the mid-20th century as a gambling and entertainment destination. Visit the famous Las Vegas Strip, Fremont Street, and the Bellagio Fountains. For outdoor enthusiasts, the nearby Red Rock Canyon offers stunning desert landscapes. Fun fact: more than 41 million people visit Las Vegas each year. 7. Washington, D.C. The capital of the United States, Washington, D.C., is packed with history, monuments, and museums. Established in 1790, the city was designed to be the nation's political and cultural center. Don't miss the National Mall, the Smithsonian Museums, and iconic landmarks like the White House and Capitol Building. Fun fact: the Washington Monument was once the tallest structure in the world until the Eiffel Tower was completed. 8. Boston, Massachusetts. As one of the oldest cities in the U.S., Boston is rich in history and charm. Founded in 1630, it played a key role in the American Revolution, with landmarks like the Boston Tea Party ships and the Freedom Trail. Visit Fenway Park, the historic Quincy Market, and the Museum of Fine Arts. The city is also known for its vibrant academic community, including Harvard and MIT nearby. Fun fact: Boston built the first subway system in the United States in 1897. 9. Seattle, Washington. Known as the Emerald City, Seattle is nestled in the Pacific Northwest, surrounded by lush forests, mountains, and water. Founded in 1851, the city is named after Chief Seattle, a Native American leader of the Duwamish and Suquamish tribes. Over time, Seattle has become a tech hub, with companies like Microsoft and Amazon headquartered here. Visit the iconic Space Needle, Pike Place Market, and the Chihuly Garden and Glass Museum. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy kayaking on Lake Union or hiking in nearby Mount Rainier National Park. Fun fact: Seattle is where Starbucks originated. The first Starbucks store is still open at Pike Place Market. 10. Houston, Texas. Located in southeastern Texas, Houston is the fourth largest city in the United States and is known for its energy industry, especially oil and gas. Founded in 1836, Houston played a vital role during the Texas Revolution. Today, it's a multicultural city with vibrant arts and food scenes. Top attractions include the Houston Museum District, Space Center Houston, and the Houston Zoo. Sports fans can catch a game with the Houston Astros or Rockets. Fun fact: Houston's Texas Medical Center is the largest medical complex in the world. 11. Orlando, Florida. Orlando, often called the theme park capital of the world, is a favorite destination for families and thrill seekers. Founded in 1875, the city gained global recognition with the opening of Walt Disney World in 1971. Since then, it has become synonymous with magical adventures. Must-visit spots include Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, and SeaWorld. Beyond theme parks, check out Lake Eola Park for a relaxing day outdoors. Fun fact: Orlando welcomes over 75 million visitors annually, making it one of the most visited cities in the world. 12. New Orleans, Louisiana. Famous for its vibrant culture, music, and food, New Orleans, or the Big Easy, is located along the Mississippi River in Louisiana. Founded in 1718 by the French, the city has a rich history influenced by French, Spanish, and Creole cultures. Be sure to explore the French Quarter, listen to jazz on Frenchmen Street, and enjoy beignets at Café du Monde. New Orleans is also known for its festive Mardi Gras celebrations. Fun fact: New Orleans is the birthplace of jazz music. 13. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Philadelphia, or Philly, is a city steeped in American history. It's where the Declaration of Independence was signed in 1776, earning it the nickname, the birthplace of America. Founded in 1682 by William Penn, it's also home to iconic landmarks like the Liberty Bell, Independence Hall, and the Philadelphia Museum of Art with its famous Rocky Steps. Don't leave without trying a Philly cheesesteak and visiting Reading Terminal Market for delicious local eats. Fun fact: Philadelphia was the first capital of the United States. 14. San Diego, California. Located in Southern California, San Diego is known for its beautiful beaches, year-round sunny weather, and relaxed vibe. Founded in 1769, it's one of the oldest towns in California and has a strong naval presence due to its harbor. Explore Balboa Park, the San Diego Zoo, and the USS Midway Museum. For beach lovers, La Jolla and Coronado are must-visit spots. Fun fact: San Diego has more than 7,000 farms, making it the largest agricultural producer in the U.S. 15. Denver, Colorado. Nicknamed the Mile High City because it sits at an elevation of 1 mile above sea level, Denver is the gateway to the Rocky Mountains. Founded during the gold rush of 1858, Denver has evolved into a vibrant city with a mix of urban charm and outdoor adventures. Top attractions include the Denver Art Museum, Red Rocks Amphitheater, and Coors Brewery. The nearby Rocky Mountain National Park is perfect for hiking and skiing. Fun fact: Denver brews more beer than any other city in the U.S. The United States is truly a land of endless possibilities, where each city tells its own unique story. From the dazzling lights of New York City to the historic streets of Boston, the USA offers a wealth of experiences that cater to every traveler. Which city would you like to visit first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Travel Cliques for more exciting adventures around the globe.